friends, this is my favorite time of the week. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Our host is Sunday Dawn at The Helpful Home. Please check out her channel and please check out all the amazing creators in the playlist for inspiration on how you can tidy your home in small amounts of time each week. Okay, this is the solar eclipse declutter. I'm decluttering during the solar eclipse, and this is what it looks like outside. This is during the solar eclipse, but I'm decluttering inside. I'm doing a major declutter during the solar eclipse. It's so cool, and our doggies are sound asleep. And here the birdies, they're confused too. Where we're located, it's kind of hard to see the sun, but oh, there it is. See, there's the solar eclipse. Okay, I'm working on doing a second declutter of my hutch here, and the first one I got quite a few things out of it, but this one I'm even getting rid of more. Here's what I'm getting rid of, which I love it. I had 2 of these. I got these in Cape Cod on vacation one year. The other one broke. I decided I'm going to get rid of that because I don't use it as much anymore. I'm getting rid of these. I'm getting rid of these. And these, which I never even used these in a video, but I'm still getting rid of them. They've been here a year and I never used them in a video. I'm getting rid of these. I'm getting rid of these because I have other black and white dishes. I don't need so many black and white. I'm getting rid of these because I have a B set that I like better. And I'm getting rid of these because I have other salad plates for Christmas that I like better. Some Christmas coffee cups. Some more Christmas coffee cups. Candle holders. Some more candle holders. This for making kraut, because I'm not going to do that anymore. This, I'm going to declutter a basket. Some more stuff I'm going to go through. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to declutter. I'm going to keep these. I'm going to keep this picture frame. I may declutter that. I'm going to keep these. I may let these go. I have another set that's similar. I may let those go. I'm going to let these go and these go. Yeah, I'm going to let this go. I'm going to let that go. Let this go. Let that go. Let's see what else is in here. I'm going to keep the bee because I'm doing bee theme this year. I think I'll let that go. I'm keeping the candles. I'm keeping those. Okay, we're working on doing some more decluttering. I'm doing a whole day and multiple videos decluttering around my entire house. This goes. And my goal is to get a truckload of items to declutter. This is going. Now I'm going to get into table runners and napkins. Keeping. I'm keeping these. I'll keep this one. It's got strawberries on it. And I really like this one. This is one of my favorites, so I'm keeping that. This one too. I'm decorating in lemon, so I'm going to keep this. This is just one. I'll see if I can find the other one. This one goes. I'm going to keep 2 of these. I don't do dinner parties. I do tablescapes for YouTube. That's it. So these are going to go. And I'm only going to keep 2 of these. And so all these can go. I'm going to keep this because these goes well with a lot of things. And they match this table runner. I'm going to keep this because I love the snowflake. I'm going to let this one go. I'm going to let this one go. That's a keep. It needs folded. Keep. And I like this one. I think I'll keep this one too. I just didn't do that many spring tablescapes this year, with me being sick so much. This one matches my dishes, so I'll keep that one, and I'll let this one go. This is pretty, but I like the other one better, so I'll let this one go. Because we're downsizing. This is a bee theme. I do have a lot of I have bee dishes, so I'll keep that one. My Halloween, I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep this one. I really like it. Even though I do have a Harlequin, but I have charger plates that match that, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep this one because it's reversible. So I'm going to keep this. Hold on, I see another watermelon, and I'll decide between the 2. I didn't know I had 2. I'll decide which ones I want between the 2 of the water. Oh, no. That was strawberries. This is watermelon. We'll keep the watermelon. Oh, here's the other one. Keep 2 of these. I'll keep this. I like it because it's reversible. Oh, I like this one. It's a fall one. Let me see what the pink. Found another pink. I think I'll keep these and let these go. I'll let these, I think I'll keep these. These will go with anything. So that's definitely a keep. Gonna let these go. Gonna let these go. Gonna let these go. I'm gonna keep these. Keep those. Let these go. I'm gonna keep the blue ones. I'm gonna get rid of the pink. I'm gonna get rid of the yellow. Oh wow, I didn't use any of these this year. I was just too sick to do too many spring tablescapes. That's kind of sad. Gonna keep that. Gonna keep this one. I'm gonna get rid of the black. I'm gonna get rid of the green and the yellow. I'm gonna get rid of that. Oh wow. I'm gonna put these with my other. This is gonna go. I have a red table runner I can use instead. Okay, so far we've got rid of this much.